Proverbs 16 verse 3, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. Joshua 1 verse 8, keep this book of the law always on your lips, meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you will be prosperous and successful. Psalm 20 verse 4, may He give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. Jeremiah 29 verse 11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Philippians 4 verse 13, I can do all this through Him who gives me strength. Deuteronomy 8 verse 18, but remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth, and so confirms His covenant, which He swore to your ancestors, as it is today. James 1 verse 5, if any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. Psalm 1 verses 2 to 3, but whose delight is in the law of the Lord, and who meditates on His law day and night. That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season and whose leaf does not wither, whatever they do prospers. Matthew 6 verse 33, but seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Colossians 3 verses 23 to 24, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters, since you know that you will receive an inheritance from the Lord as a reward. It is the Lord Christ you are serving. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.